Hey, Mark Petro with Petro Accident Injury Attorneys. I want to talk about slip and fall accidents. Uh, Slip and fall is a term that we use in personal injury where someone is injured on someone else's property. For example, you go to the grocery store and you slip on a wet substance on the floor, you fall to the ground and you injure yourself. That's what we refer to as a slip and fall case. And so you have slip and fall, you have trip and fall where you trip on an object that's on someone's property and it causes you injury. So slip and fall, trip and fall, they all fall under what we call premises liability. And that just means that you're injured on somebody's property, and if they're found to be negligent, then you can recover against the property owner. Now, these cases are actually more difficult than you think they are, because what the law says is that the property owner is not the guarantor. They don't guarantee your safety. They're not the guarantor of your safety when you're on your premises, and the law actually puts a pretty heavy burden on you, the injured party, to prove that the property owner either knew or should have known that there was a hazardous substance or some kind of defect on the property that resulted in your injury. So, they're very seldom are they going to admit that there's something on the property that they knew or should have known was there. So usually what you have to do is you have to show that they should have known. It's called constructive knowledge. You have to prove that there was something about the substance on the floor or the defect that should have alerted them had they been keeping a proper lookout, had they been doing their job. Should have alerted them that there was something about the premises that could have caused your injury. So that's kind of a summary of premises liability, slip and fall, trip and fall in Alabama. But if you ever have any questions, always feel free to pick up the phone and give me a call, and I'll be glad to answer any questions you have. Thank you.